Hello viewers, this is continuation lecture number 4 about the colloids and colloidal dispersions. Now come toward the purification technique or the purification of the colloidal solution. That what are the different purification technique which are used for the colloidal solution. So when a colloidal solution it is prepared which is often contains certain electrolytes which tend to destabilize it. So the following method they are used for purification. So the first method is dialysis. Now what is dialysis? In simple words, dialysis mean the purification, or simple you can say dialysis the semi-permeable membrane which is called cellophane membrane is used to prevent or to avoid the passage of the colloidal particles, yet allow the passage of the small molecules or electrolytes. I mean that in dialysis we can purify the electrolytes. And simple word, this is your motor, and this one as this is actually the solvent and the colloidal solution which is being dialyzed. Look at the colloidal solution. So that has been dialyzed, and this one is the whisking dialysis tubing. So, in dialysis, the semi-permeable membrane which is used, that is cellophane membrane. So the main function of the cellophane membrane, so it can avoid or prevent the passage of the colloidal particles. So it yet allow the passage of the small molecules or electrolytes. So this is the past purification technique which is used for the colloidal suspension, for the colloidal solution. So for example, whenever there are some impurities which are present in the colloidal solutions, so definitely that can be purified with the help of dialysis. So if you remember, so and medical terms we are used, especially dialysis and trauma when kidney failure occurs. So in that case, dialysis is performed. For what purpose? In order to clean the blood, to purify the blood from impurities. The second technique which is used, that is electrodialysis. So in electrodialysis, in the dialysis unit, the movement of ions across the membrane can be speeded up by applying an electric current through the electrode induced in the solution. So in electrodialysis, so some specials mean electrodes they are used. So these electrodes they are connected with the terminal of the battery, and a high voltage that is applied across the two terminals. So in that case, there will be the movement of the ions across the membrane. So you know the ions they are present across the membrane, so they can move, and it can be speeded up by applying the electric currents. So the electric current is applied through the electrodes which is induced in the solution. The most important use of dialysis is the purification of blood, especially an artificial kidney machine. So I have already discussed that what is actually doing in the purifications. The dialysis membrane, it allows the small particles, ions, or molecules to pass through, but the colloidal size particle like hemoglobins, they do not pass through the membrane. So it depends upon on the size. Only the smaller molecules or the smaller particle they can be passed through, but the colloidal size particle hemoglobin they do not pass through the test membranes. So this is very simple instrumentation. So you can see here, this is called cellophane bag or parchment paper bag. And this one is the solution of the crystallized. they are in water, and this one is funnel. And here, this funnel is used and which by which we can add the impurities or empowered solution that is present here. So actually, um, you know that the contents on the materials which are passed through the filter paper, so it become clears. So that is called filtrate, and these are called filtrant. The insoluble substances are material which are left in the funnel. So that is called filtrant. This is water molecule, and these are the electrodes, and with colloids, they are crystallites, and these are the terminal of the these in electrodialysis. Because in electrodialysis, electrodes they are used, and actually the a source of, you can say, voltage. The electric current is applied from here. So what will be happen? This is your water, and definitely the ions will move across the membrane. These are the different ions. You can see only the smaller molecule can pass through it, while the larger molecule they are not pass, like hemoglobin, which cannot pass through it. So, inshallah, in my next lecture, we will talk about the applications of the colloidal solution, that in pharmacy or in pharmaceutics or in pharma technology, what are the applications of the colloidal solution. So once again, thank you so much for watching all these lectures. So if you have any queries or any questions, so I'm available for any kind of services. Thank you so much once again to all my viewers, well-wishers, students, and teachers as well.